So as of now, we're just gonna do the prep, and we'll go from there. All right, let's do this. So the tools I'll be using are just these guys. I have putty knife, um, this type of brush. What else? I also have bought a wire brush, uh, just to use it where the area that is probably hard to remove. And yeah, that's it. This guy was the dried glue from the carpet. So I used all kind of remover, but it didn't really work. So I had to search it out. All right, guys. So today it's ready to start the first coat. Um, the prep is all done. So what I did here, I used I ended up using one of this concrete bond, which because of the existing paint, I wasn't able to remove them like um, all the way down to the concrete. So as you can see, there's still like remaining, but it was all sanded out and everything like that. So I was recommended to use one of this concrete and masonry bonding primer, and then um, start with the first coat as a base. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen. I hope everything will work. All right, so now I finished all my brush corners and all where it needed to be brushed, and now I'm going to start uh, I'm gonna start using the roller. Alright guys, so now today I'm doing the second coat. The first base coat is already done. So there's one more thing that I would like to when using the brush. So we're gonna be using the nylon polyester brush. So I would really recommend it like to go one direction, one time applications. It's slightly different when using latex paint for exterior interior, because this one it's a little bit hard to spread it out. So what I would really suggest it is like when you brushing it, I would suggest like to go one direction, like to brush it towards where you stop, instead of going back and forth, instead of going like this. So instead of going like that, because what happened is, see right there, I would just suggest it to go one direction towards where you end up, like that. You see there? So same thing here. I'll go one direction. Okay. See right there, look. All right, let's just continue. All right, so now finally it's done. All I gotta do now is just wait for another couple hours, and then I'm just gonna caulking around the corners. And once it's dry, when it's still wet, the color it appears different. But when it's dry, it will be like this. See, like that. So I did this one yesterday. Alright guys, so this is it. This is like after fully cured, and it turned out beautiful. Alright, so I'm happy of the outcome. Beautiful.